In this quick video, I will show you how to add Excel standard colors to Photoshop swatches. So let's get started. First, zoom in onto your Excel spreadsheet, then go to the Home tab and then click on here, and then you can see standard colors. The first color on the list is called dark red. So I select it to paint the selected cell, and then in the next cell, I write the name of the color, which is dark red. I repeat the same process for all other standard colors. Then click on Start and search for Snipping Tool. Select Snipping Tool. Take a snip of all these colors with the name. Then press Ctrl C to copy this snip, and then go to Photoshop, press Ctrl V to paste the colors. Increase the size to make it easier to select. Click on this corner and then select Paint Color Swatches. I selected Paint Color Swatches because it has minimum number of swatches. Now we want to add all these swatches to this Paint Color Swatches. So select the eyedrop tool and then click on the first color on here, which is dark red, and then click on here to add the color swatch to the swatches. Give it a name. I call it dark red, and then as you can see, the dark red color is added onto our swatches. So I repeat the same process for all other colors. Now that we have added all the colors, we got to save the swatches. So click on here and then select Save Swatches. I call the file name Excel Swatches, and then I click Save. Now that we saved the swatches, we need to open them again. So click on here and this time select Replace Swatches and select the swatches that we have just saved and click on Load. Now I'm gonna delete all the swatches except the ones that we have just added. In order to delete them, simply drag the swatch and drop it on the delete icon. In this way, we can quickly delete all the swatches. So do that for all the colors one by one until only the Excel standard colors are left. And finally, we got to save this again. So click on here and then click on Save Swatches again. Make sure you save the swatches file in this directory. It is very important. This time I call it Excel and then I click on Save. Now just to test that we have saved the swatches properly, I'm gonna go here again, click on Replace Swatches and go to the directory that we have just saved the latest swatches file. Open them and you can see they are all still there. But if you look at this section, you don't see the name of our swatches. To make the name of these swatches to appear, we need to close Photoshop and open it again. And now you can see the name of our swatches appearing in here. And the reason is because we have saved to the correct directory.